Whoosh. Snow. I just flushed down the toilet paper that I used to blow my nose. And the thing is, I got hay fever, but it's snowing. Mid-March. Up here it is snowing. So, the very last thing I wanted to show you is this wooden wall. Why would I want to show you a wooden wall, a wooden house? Well, for the Wi-Fi to be stopped, you need to be enclosed by wood. So if we go and look at my clothes that I own, ooh, one is over here already. Why would I want to show you this? I need to start the video anew. There is no more power left.